Hello guys and welcome back in another video. So in today's video I will show you how to vacuum a trunk of a car. So for this job you will need a vacuum cleaner, and I like to use some sprayer and a hot water in it. Now the first step is that we need to take this kind of rubbish towels out of the car. So yeah guys, it's not too bad. I switched the angle of the camera so that you will be able to see the debris much easier. As you can see now, the camera doesn't pick up on it, but if I zoom in you kind of see the debris right there and there. So yeah, it's not too bad, but it definitely needs a quick vacuum, and I will show you how to do that. So yeah guys, the first step for me is that I spray some hot water onto this material so that kind of debris kind of lifts up, you know, and yeah, it's much easier to then vacuum it. And yeah guys, now we just need to vacuum it. As you can see, here is a spot where we have really that kind of hard debris, where it's kind of deep in the carpet. If I show you a close-up, it's like you will be able to see it. Now for that I will be using a drill gun and attachment for it, and I will just kind of go over it and then vacuum it. In order to do that, the carpet needs to be kind of more wet, because otherwise you can actually burn the carpets. Firstly, we go with water over the spot. And then we go with our drill attachment. And yeah guys, as you can see now, it's much more cleaner. I mean, we still have some debris over there, but that's because I didn't go over this spot. But yeah, much more cleaner carpet, as you can see. Very clean. But yeah guys, that is how you vacuum a trunk of a car, and I hope you liked the video. I'm already sweating here. If you did like it, please subscribe, like it and share it. It would help me a lot. And yeah guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye!